Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Sync.com for secure backups and privacy. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Sync.com website. Look for the Sign Up button on the homepage. Click on the Sign Up button to start the registration process. You'll be redirected to the Sign Up page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Choose a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again. Read through Sync.com's terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to their terms. Click the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email from Sync.com. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email. Click on the confirmation link within the email. Once confirmed, return to the Sync.com website. Log in using your email and password. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Review the available subscription plans carefully. Select the plan that suits your storage needs. Click on the Choose Plan button under your selected option. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit card details or select an alternative payment method. Confirm your payment details. Your subscription process is now complete. You are ready to start backing up your files securely with Sync.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.